If you find the content relevant, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell button to get a regular notification. Also do share your experiences and any suggestions that you have in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed. Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Here I answer questions based on whatever queries that you have regarding management entrance. Now, our question for today is by Tanya Pal. The question is basically, should we focus on doing a specialized MBA in a specialized niche area or do a general management, like hospital management? Okay, so a lot depends upon the college that you get. The college becomes very important when you do a management because the opportunities that you get afterwards purely depends on the college. So for some niche areas, like suppose I want to do HR management, it makes sense to go to a college which has HR and do specialize in HR. Okay, because there the job opportunities will be much better than maybe doing it in general management colleges like XLRI. TIS has a very good placements for HR. So where you have special even SMHRD etc. have very good HR placements. So look at those courses and then go about it. Coming to hospital management, TIS is a very good college for hospital management. So if you get into TIS, great. And if you're very clear that you want to get into hospital management, you can do a course purely based on hospital management. But for some other courses like let's say sports management, right now, as of now, there are no great colleges for sports management in India. So in that case, it makes sense maybe to do a general management course and then move into sports management. Like one of my students who passed out from IIM Kozhikode, he wanted to get into sports management. So fact that he got into good college, he's doing really well in the sports management arena. He's moved into sports management. So moment you pass out from a good college, you do have a lot of opportunities that are available in different fields, and therefore you can choose. I mean, I even had a doctor who were there, or quite a few doctors. As a matter of fact, I actually had four doctors who went to IIM Ahmedabad and passed out, and they're doing great in the. And there's quite a few of them are still in the medical field, either pharma industry or some consultancy related to medical. So they're doing good. So in that case, you can get into a college which has general management and do an amazing career in your area of interest. So college is what matters more. So if in your niche field you have a good college, take it up. If you don't have a good college in your niche field, it makes sense to do a general management and then get opportunities in your field of interest. Hope that helps. Thank you.